Hey everyone, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another epic showdown. Today we're diving deep into the world of premium tablets with a clash of titans, the iPad Pro M4, the Surface Pro 11, and the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. These aren't just any tablets, they're powerhouses designed to push the boundaries of what a tablet can do. We're going to dissect every aspect of these devices, from their stunning displays to their blazing fast performance. We'll explore their software ecosystems, compare their battery life, and even test their capabilities as productivity machines. Don't skip a single second of this video because at the end, I'm crowning a clear winner. I got your back with links to purchase these incredible devices in the description below. Let's get started. Apple's iPad Pro M4 2024 is a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of innovation. The device boasts a striking design that is both incredibly thin and light, making it a pleasure to hold and carry. The OLED display is a revelation, offering stunning visuals with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and exceptional brightness. It's a visual experience that elevates everything from casual browsing to professional content creation. At the heart of the iPad Pro lies the M4 chip, a powerful processor capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing complex video projects, playing graphically intensive games, or simply multitasking between apps, the M4 delivers impressive performance. However, the base model's 8GB RAM can be a limiting factor for heavy-duty workflows. Upgrading to 16GB is recommended for those who demand maximum performance. The new Apple Pencil Pro is a welcome addition for artists and designers, offering enhanced precision and responsiveness. The Magic Keyboard, while expensive, provides a comfortable typing experience and transforms the iPad into a more laptop-like device. However, the iPad OS still lacks essential features found in Mac OS, hindering its ability to fully replace a traditional computer. While the iPad Pro excels as a content consumption device, offering an immersive viewing experience, its audio performance is somewhat disappointing. The four-speaker system lacks the depth and richness expected from a device at this price point. The camera system is another area where the iPad Pro falls short. The rear camera, while sufficient for casual photography, struggles to compete with dedicated smartphone cameras in terms of image quality. The front camera, though adequate for Face ID, produces underwhelming selfies. Despite its impressive performance and stunning display, the iPad Pro's high price point and certain shortcomings prevent it from being a truly universal device. It remains a compelling option for creatives and consumers seeking a premium tablet experience, but those looking for a full-fledged laptop replacement may find its limitations frustrating. Apple has undoubtedly created a remarkable device with the iPad Pro M4. It pushes the boundaries of what a tablet can achieve, offering a blend of power, performance, and elegance. However, it's essential to weigh the device's strengths and weaknesses carefully before making a purchase. Microsoft's Surface Pro 11 represents a significant leap forward in the two-in-one category. The device seamlessly blends the portability of a tablet with the productivity of a laptop, offering a compelling package for a wide range of users. At the core of the Surface Pro 11 is Qualcomm's Snapdragon X processor, delivering impressive performance improvements over previous generations. While it may not match the raw power of Intel or AMD chips in certain demanding tasks, it excels in everyday use, offering snappy responsiveness and efficient multitasking. The device's ability to handle a wide range of applications, from productivity software to content creation tools, demonstrates the maturity of the ARM platform in the Windows ecosystem. It boasts a stunning OLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness. However, the lack of an anti-reflective coating can lead to glare in certain lighting conditions. The 120Hz refresh rate enhances visual smoothness, particularly when scrolling through content or playing games. Microsoft's new Flex keyboard is a highlight, offering a comfortable typing experience and the convenience of Bluetooth connectivity. The keyboard's fabric-covered palm rest provides a soft and warm feel, but it may be prone to staining over time. Its kickstand offers multiple angles, allowing users to find the most comfortable and ergonomic position for working or consuming content. While the Surface Pro 11 delivers exceptional performance and a premium user experience, it comes with a hefty price tag. The starting configuration may be sufficient for many users, but those seeking maximum performance and storage will need to invest in higher-end models. Additionally, the device's compatibility with x86 applications is still evolving, with some programs experiencing performance limitations or outright incompatibility. Battery life is a significant improvement over previous Surface Pro models, offering ample endurance for most users. However, demanding tasks and video calls can impact battery life, and users may need to carry a power adapter for extended usage. The Surface Pro 11's camera system is a mixed bag. The front-facing camera, while offering a wide field of view, produces distorted and unflattering images. The rear camera is adequate for basic photography, but falls short of the capabilities of dedicated smartphone cameras. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a titan among tablets, boasting a colossal 14.6-inch display that's a visual marvel. The screen's vivid colors, deep blacks, and smooth 120Hz refresh rate create an immersive experience for both entertainment and productivity. The tablet's sleek design and comfortable grip defy its immense size, making it surprisingly portable. Samsung's inclusion of an IP68 rating is a commendable step forward, enhancing the device's durability for various environments. Under the hood, the Tab S9 Ultra houses a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, delivering swift performance for demanding tasks and seamless multitasking. Its ample battery life ensures extended usage without the constant worry of running out of power. The bundled S Pen offers precise input for note-taking, drawing, and navigation, enhancing the overall user experience. Samsung's DeX mode transforms the Tab S9 Ultra into a pseudo-laptop, enabling efficient multitasking with multiple app windows. While the concept is promising, the limitations of Android app optimization on larger screens hinder the full potential of this desktop-like experience. Despite its impressive features, its high price tag, and the ongoing challenges of Android app compatibility on tablets temper its appeal for the average consumer. While it excels as a premium content consumption device and a capable productivity tool for specific users, the investment may not be justified for those seeking a general-purpose tablet. The Tab S9 Ultra undoubtedly caters to a niche audience seeking the ultimate mobile computing experience. Its combination of a stunning display, robust performance, and long battery life makes it a compelling choice for those who prioritize power, productivity, and immersive content consumption. So who's the ultimate tablet champion? If you're a die-hard Apple fan, craving seamless integration with your iPhone and a focus on content creation, the iPad Pro M4 is your golden ticket. Its powerful M4 chip and stunning Liquid Retina XDR display make it a formidable force. For those seeking a versatile 2-in-1 experience with a strong focus on productivity, the Surface Pro 11 shines. Its Windows OS, coupled with the detachable keyboard, transforms it into a laptop replacement. But if you prioritize a massive screen, impressive battery life, and a more affordable price point without compromising on performance, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the clear winner. Its immersive display and powerful internals make it a compelling choice for entertainment and light productivity. The final decision boils down to your individual needs and priorities. Consider your priorities and choose the device that aligns best with your lifestyle. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best prices on these amazing tablets.